Welcome to the Plant ID series of the Tarleton Student Chapter of the Wildlife Society YouTube channel. I'm Molly Cook and I'll be your Plant ID instructor. Today we're going to go over common woody plants of north central Texas. This is flameleaf sumac. It's a common tree found around here in the Anacardiaceae family. On average, these trees stand 12 to 15 feet tall. Flameleaf sumac is a very fast-growing tree that responds well to fire. In the fall, its leaves turn a bright red color, thus the name flameleaf. Flameleaf sumac leaves are bipinnate and paired and slender. They come with a big cluster of seeds that are bright red to a dark brown color. Our next plant is a skunk bush or fragrant sumac. This deciduous shrub stands about 6 to 12 feet tall and is also in the Anacardiaceae family. Skunk bush sumac can be identified by having leaves that grow in clusters of threes and having a crenate edge. The leaf itself also resembles either a puppy's paw or a skunk's tail. The presence of red berries also helps to identify this plant species. Our second plant is netleaf hackberry. This is in the Ulmaceae family, which is characterized by leaves that are uneven on both sides. This hackberry, compared to other hackberries, has rougher, stouter leaves. Netleaf hackberry produce masts that are readily available for bird species such as the northern bobwhite quail. The leaves of the netleaf hackberry have very strong veination, a heart-shaped base, and a central vein that is not centered along the leaf. This is a prime example of a leaf in the Ulmaceae family. For our third plant, we have a red oak. This is in the Fagaceae family, known as the oak family. The red oak has several subspecies across the state, including the Texas red oak and the Shumard oak. Red oaks are characterized by having deep, almost dissected lobes with sharp protrusions. Our next woody species is the post oak. This deciduous tree is in the Fagaceae or oak family and can grow upwards of 50 feet tall. Post oak leaves are described as having deep lobes. Compared to the red oak, these ones have smooth lobes with no points and typically grow in threes or fives. One of the most common trees across the state of Texas is the live oak tree. This massive tree is in the Fagaceae or oak family. This tree can grow upwards of 100 feet tall. This is just a segment of what it can be. Live oak leaves are characterized by having an oblong shape. The top side of the leaves are a shiny green leathery color, and the bottom side are a white color with a fuzzy texture. Here we have an older leaf and a younger leaf. The younger leaves sometimes have serrations along the side as a defense mechanism against herbivory. The older leaves are going to be smooth on the margin. Our last woody species is the honey mesquite. This species is in the Fabaceae or legume family. These trees are characterized as either being tall 30-foot trees or small shrub-like plants. They're branched at the base and are considered widely invasive across the state of Texas. Honey mesquites are characterized by having long thorns that are light in color. The leaves of honey mesquite are very long, paired, bipinnate, and typically range from a light green to medium green color.